Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet ﷺ said, "A man belonging to the Ummahs prior to you slew 99 people and then asked the people of the earth, who is the greatest scholar? He was intimated of a great monk. He went to that monk and said that he had killed 99 people and asked if his repentance could be approved. The monk replied in the negative. That man assassinated that monk and thus completed the number 100. He again asked the question, who is the best scholar in the face of the earth? He was informed of a male scholar. He said that he had killed 100 people and asked if his penitence could be approved. The scholar said, yes. What can intervene between him and the acceptance of repentance? Go to such and such place. Some people are worshipping Allah Jalla Jalaluhu there. You should worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu along with them and do not return to your area, for it is a wicked place. That man set off, and when he had covered half the distance, the death overtook him, and there occurred a conflict between the angels of mercy and the angels of torment. The angels of mercy said, this man came repenting and turning his heart to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. On the other hand, the angels of torment said, he did no good deed. Then an angel in the form of a man came to them. They appointed him as an arbitrator. He thereupon said, measure the distance of both lands. His case will be decided as per the land he is near to. When they took the measurement, he was closer to that land to which he had intended to go. The angels of mercy whereupon took possession of him. Hassan has stated, when death approached him, he turned his chest away from the first area. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6939.